looks really nice. I feel like I'm there, and this is like a sky cam watching an actual car race. Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Pixio Prime 27-inch, 165Hz, 1440p gaming monitor. I did receive this sample from Pixio, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. All right, it's time for a quick viewer intervention. Yes, I'm talking to you. No, don't look away. I'm talking to you right now. In the last 28 days, almost 40,000 of you have viewed the TV Chef channel, but only 98 of you have become a subscriber. So would you please consider clicking that subscribe button? Bonus points if you like, comment, and share our videos as well. If you don't like our videos, please give it a thumbs down, click that dislike button, and tell us why in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you either way. Also, bonus points for you if you want to share it with an ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, estranged sibling, spouse. You get the idea. We'd be grateful for that as well. Looking at the back of the monitor, we got the Pixio logo and branding front and center. Looks like some ventilation up top. VESA mount if you want to use your own stand as opposed to the included stand. So power, we have 2 HDMI, 1 DisplayPort, and we have our earphone headphone jack right there. And looking at it from the front, near bezel-less design. I really like how that looks. Super slim. The only feature we get with the stand is the ability to adjust the tilt. So there we go. We have it tilted all the way down or towards you, and then we can tilt it all the way back. Next, we have the UFO Test pulled up on the display right now, and I do want to point out that the camera pointing at the screen with this test, it doesn't look very good, but that's not what it looks like in person. That's just the camera and the monitor not getting along. So what you're supposed to see is down here at the bottom, the 41 FPS value is going to be pretty juddery as it moves across the screen. As we double that FPS value to 83, it gets a lot smoother. And then we double it again to 165, and it's buttery smooth, very fluid, and it looks great in person. Now it's time for the web browsing test, where we're going to take a look at a couple of popular websites in case you want to use this monitor primarily for browsing the web. So we got YouTube pulled up here, the trending page. Take a look at everything. Very fluid and responsive here. Videos are playing and loading just fine. We got our thumbnail and it's showing us a clip of the video. So not only is it for consuming media, we also have it if you want to stay up to date in the latest news, things along those lines. We have The Verge pulled up here, just a popular tech blog with one of their latest articles. Pay attention to how the image looks, the title, the headers, the font, all of the paragraphs, the quotes. Sometimes there's embedded tweets, TikToks, you get the idea. Let's test the input lag out on this monitor. Let's see what our results are. All right, look at that. About 1.3, 1.4 milliseconds. Let's talk about gaming on this Pixio monitor. So we have Forza 5 pulled up right here. Currently have it configured to be on their extreme settings at 1440p and up to 165 FPS. We're getting around 115 FPS, give or take, right now. Look at how good everything looks. I love IPS panels, so I do have a bias towards the preferences of better viewing angles and colors with slight compromise in some of the faster response times. But I really love how everything looks, especially 1440p at 27 inches. Definitely the sweet spot, in my opinion, if you're looking for resolution and screen size. But I think it speaks for itself. If you're wondering about next-gen consoles with this Pixio monitor, we have the PlayStation 5 connected, and it does support 1440p at both 60 and 120 Hz, with or without HDR. Keep in mind with the PS5, the 120 Hz output, you're going to have to set that to automatic, and that'll vary depending on the game that you're playing and if it's supported. Don't worry, you Xbox people, I haven't forgot about you as well. We have the Xbox Series X connected right here. We're looking at our display options. So we have our resolution 1440p selected and 120 Hz for the refresh rate. You also have the option of 60 Hz if you would prefer that, but that's what you can expect on the Xbox Series X, 1440p at 120 Hz max.